Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect JBL speaker to laptop, quick fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your JBL speaker is fully charged or plugged into a power source. Turn on your JBL speaker by pressing the power button. Activate Bluetooth on your laptop. For Windows, click on the Start menu. Select Settings from the options. Click on Devices. Choose Bluetooth and other devices. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to turn it on. For macOS, click on the Apple menu. Select System Preferences. Click on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, put your JBL speaker in pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on your speaker until the indicator light starts flashing. On your laptop, look for available Bluetooth devices. In Windows, click Add Bluetooth or other device. In macOS, your speaker should appear in the list. Select your JBL speaker from the list of available devices. Click Connect. Once connected, you will hear a confirmation sound from the speaker. If prompted, confirm any pairing codes to finalize the connection. Play audio on your laptop to test the speaker. Adjust the volume on both the laptop and the JBL speaker for the best sound. If you experience issues, try disconnecting and reconnecting the Bluetooth. For persistent problems, restart both your laptop and the JBL speaker. Repeat the pairing process if necessary. Now, enjoy your music or media through your JBL speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.